Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next one is called polar coordinates. Let's go for it. First of all, it gives us some information about polar coordinates, about Cartesian coordinates, how to convert them to each other. You can read it if you don't know about it, but I start writing the code here. First of all, I'm going to import RE, which is regex. We are going to use it to separate these numbers, extract this one and this two as x and y of our number. And another thing is that I'm going to import CMath library, which is a Python module for mathematical functions. Alright, let's write it. First of all, I'm going to get a text from input, so text is equal to input. Then I'm going to remove all white space characters from my text, so it won't matter whether the user prints something like enters something like 1 plus 2j, or for example 1 some spaces and plus 2j. When we remove the white spaces, this will be same as this. So I write down text is equal to text dot replace the space with nothing. This search for all of the spaces and removes them. Alright, the next thing is using regex, regular expressions. I'm going to write down, for example, a match variable which is equal to re dot search for a pattern in my text, and we should specify the pattern. Our pattern, first of all, should look for this first part, which is equal to a sign, which can be a plus or a minus, and it is optional. So basically this part, search for the sign. After that, I'm going to type a \d star. This searches for digits, which can be 0, 1 or more. Then I repeat the same thing, so I copy it here. This would be our second part, and in the end it should have a j. Alright, we wrote the match. It will search and finds the first item. Then I'm going to create variable x, which is equal to match1, and variable y, which is equal to match2. First of all, let's check if we found x and y in correct way. So let's print x and y as a check. Let's run the code. Okay, the input was this and this was my output. So x and y are correct, but I should convert them to integers. So x will be equal to integer of match 1 and y will be equal to integer of match 2. Another thing is that I should calculate r and phi, which are the modulus, and the other one is the angle. If we convert this number to polar coordinates as a complex number. So I create a variable, for example, r is equal to absolute of my number, which my number is equal to something like complex of x and y. R is equal to absolute of number, and phi is equal to cmath dot phase. Is a built-in function, cmath dot phase of my number. I missed an L character here. Alright, we found R and phi, and in the end we just need to print R and phi in the output. So print R, print phi. Let's run the code. It looks fine. Let's submit the code, and all of the test cases are correct. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.